In this lecture, you're going to learn how to protect your best backlinks in your backlink profile. Lensfire.com. This was a website that I maintained from 2011 to 2013. I sold this website for several $1,000s. But before I sold it, I was getting around 15,000 to 16,000 daily visitors. At those time, this website had around 5,000 to 6,000 backlinks. But now I don't even own this domain, and when I look for this domain name, there is not even a legitimate website that is maintained under this domain name. So, for some reason, if I like to transfer those backlinks, or at least the best backlinks, to my current website, then I can follow the steps that I'm going to do in this lecture. And also, if your website has got some of the best backlinks with high link influence score, then you should protect and preserve those links. The steps are same, but the purposes are different. So let's see how to do that. In openlinkprofiler.org, just search for your domain name and click Get Backlinks. Then sort all the backlinks in the descending order of link influence score. Here you can see that the first two links are of no follow attribute. So let me go to third. This is an archive page, so I am leaving this also. I am coming to the fourth backlink. When I open this page, the backlink is found at the last line of the post, that is here. Windows 8's improved compatibility with AMD Bulldozer CPUs. It's linked to one of the posts that I had published in lensfire.com. The anchor word is displayed here also, so you can easily find it. Now, this anchor word is linked to lensfire.com, right? But I imported those old articles into my new website, that is inspirearun.com. In this case, I want this backlink to be corrected to inspirearun.com instead of lensfire.com. So, how can I do that? This is not my website, so it's not my property. I cannot edit it. In those cases, see to the footer or on the header for Contact Us link. When you click on this link, most probably you will get a contact form like this. Enter your name, your social profile, and a concise letter mentioning that you have moved to a new website and you wish to change so and so link to so and so website. The main key thing here is that how will the webmaster know that you are the legal owner of lensfire.com and you are requesting him to move to inspirearun.com? In such case, you should provide some of your social links or social pages such as Facebook pages for Lensfire or Google Plus pages or something that the proof that you had owned lensfire.com. And also, how will he verify that you are the owner of inspirearun.com? For that purpose, you should create an work email under your own domain name like arun@inspirearun.com. This will tell him that you are an official person under the domain inspirearun.com. This is how you should contact each webmaster and protect or preserve your best backlinks. I agree that it's time consuming, but look at the link influence score. It's 98%. Instead of developing hundreds of low quality backlinks, if you preserve and protect a few of your best backlinks with high link influence score, the chances of getting higher search engine ranking is very high. In the next lecture, you will learn how to prepare the list of worst backlinks and also how to remove those backlinks from the eyes of Google.